And we are back into the Amazon because, well, you like seeing my struggles. You're addicted like I am, so why not work on a project? In the world of great financial decisions, a man has to cut the fat sometime. Some things need to go. My belief is that when you have a vehicle or when you have something in your life and you don't need it or it has no use, you can get rid of it and move on with your life. And for me to keep this car in my life, I need to make it useful. Carefully. That's right, we're taking this puppy fishing and we're gonna float it down the river like I did the Daihatsu. Only been across the water about 5 minutes. There we go. There's old 12 foot of glory right there. Oh yeah, we're going fishing in this puppy. It's super light, so it should be able to tow behind the...
Well, guess what? Now this is happening. Excuse me. Excuse me. What are you doing? That's how I roll.
How about we drag this thing around front and give her a pressure wash? If you're curious, yeah, the Daihatsu is still alive, sorta. It needs a starter. Ding dong, shiwi hiwi, shawa. Con is this votre betu characteristics. I think that's actually English. I was in the middle of throwing the stuff on the boat, and yeah, the other side came off. So I mean, it had to come off anyway, but oops. I do have this wiring kit to go on the trailer. $30 for all new wiring and lights. So we just gotta find some time and do our thing. If it has, oh God, oh. If it has a tow hitch or a tow ball, you should never sell it because, I mean, it's got a use. You know what I mean? Now you're probably wondering how much weight a Amazon 122S can tow. So am I. So am I, my friend. And the best part about having the #1 subscriber base on YouTube, the fan mail, the best supporters that I could ever ask for. I would never think that I could have 850 people have interest in what I'm doing, but here I am. I've never met this guy in person, but he said, hey, you know what? I saw you spending a lot of money with IPD, so we're going to go ahead and send you some of our IPD stuff, so, you know, you have something. It looks like he sent a plate, too. So we're going to get this out of here carefully. Ooh, IPD mugs. Look at that. Huh? That's pretty cool. Too bad IPD doesn't send these out, you know? Yeah, you spent $1,000 with somebody, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, IPD? IPD? I think there's 2 of those mugs. Oh yeah, we got #2 here. Same thing. Thank you very much, Jason. Thank you. And of course, Idaho. Oh, and Montana. 2 plates I do not yet have. So that's cool as shit. Thank you. Thank you very much, Jason. I really appreciate it. And for right now, they'll just go right there because I don't have any hardware to throw them up on the wall with the rest of them. So thank you so much, Jason. I greatly appreciate it. I hope all the viewers appreciate it too. Ooh, just a little bit. A little bit more. Ooh, just a little. What's that? Is that a donut? All right. Welcome back to Dino Machines. And it's not like I bought a boat, took it fishing, caught some fish, brought them home. YouTube University may or may not have taught me how to clean the fish. And then I experimented for a while. Cooked them in butter at first. And then I cooked them with some salt and pepper, some onion powder, garlic powder, mixed, cooked in butter. Oh, baby. And then honestly, I tried. I really tried. Like I came out here and I was like, you know, I'm gonna take this drive shaft out today. You can do it, pal. You're gonna do it. You're gonna get to it. And it was like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and saw the neighbor, bullshit with the neighbor for a while. And then the neighbor was like, hey, you know, I'm going to the liquor store. You need anything? I'm like, well, yeah, it's the liquor store. I need everything there. So, turns out it was a farce. This man took me and we got pizza too. We got pizza and then we got beer and liquor and then we enjoyed it. So here we are 4 hours later. I'm gonna take the drive shaft out. Let's get to it.